Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Zeroworld. My name is Farman Khan. In today's video, we are going to talk about a very important part of English grammar, the simple past affirmative tense. If you have ever wondered how to talk about actions or events that happen in the past, this video is for you. Let's dive right in. What is simple past affirmative tense? The simple past tense is used to talk about an actions or events that have already happened or completed in the past. It expresses something that occurred at a specific point in the past or over a period of time that is no longer ongoing. This tense is super easy to use, but you need to know whether the verb is regular or irregular. When do we use simple past affirmative tense? We use the simple past tense when we want to talk about an actions that were completed at a specific time in the past. Some common time expressions you will use with this tense are yesterday, last week, 2 days ago, in 2015. For example, I watched a movie last night. They traveled to Japan last year. How this sentence indicate actions that are already finished in the past. Structure of simple past affirmative tense. The structure of a simple past affirmative tense is pretty straightforward. It follows this formula: subject plus verb past participle or verb to plus object. For example, I visited my friend yesterday. We paid the bills. You threw the ball. You spoke fluently during the presentations. She brushed her teeth. He practiced yoga. The mailman delivered the letters. The window broke during the storm. The lion roared in the jungle. Star appeared in the night sky. The car stopped at the red light. People clapped after the performance. Here, visited is the simple past form of the verb visit. Let's look at some more examples. Regular and irregular verbs. There are two types of verbs in the simple past: regular verbs and irregular verbs. Regular verbs are simple, they end in ed. For example, we played structure last weekend. She worked on her project. Now, irregular verbs don't follow these ed rules and their past forms change completely. For example, they went to the mall. He ate breakfast early this morning. As you can see, went is the past form of go and it is the past form of it. Irregular verbs need to be memorized, but don't worry, you will get the hang of it with practice. Here are a few more examples to help you understanding the simple past tense better. She cooked dinner for her family. We visited the zoo last Sunday. I read an interesting book 2 days ago. He bought a new car last month. In all of these examples, the action is completed and happened at a specific time in the past. Practice or exercise. Let's try a quick exercise. I will give you a few sentences and you can try to form the correct simple past affirmative tense. Here it is. To sum up, the simple past affirmative tense is used to describe actions or events that have already happened. Remember to use the past form of the verb and don't forget that irregular verbs don't follow the usual rules. Practice using this tense in your own sentence and you will master it in no time. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more grammar tips